I see your seat got stolen.
Well, actually...
Yeah, it sucks. I feel you, buddy. And it always happens at the worst times. Like, you're on your way to an important meeting, right?
No. Listen,
Bob.
Bob. You see, the thing is...
You know, it only happens to those who don't take really good care of their bike seats.
Maybe. It's just that...
Shh, it's okay. I know what it feels like. I've been there. But I've learned my lesson. See, you gotta love your seat. Because it's not just the seat. It's the thing that carries your life from point A to B. It supports you. You need to be ready for any scenario. Not only if it gets stolen. You're following, right? What if this happens? Shit happens, but I'm ready. What about the sun? It can damage your seat too. What if it gets wet? This UV sun cap can solve it all. You gotta think about everything.
Listen.
Well, I'd love to teach you more about it. There's a whole theory. It's almost scientific, but I gotta go now. You can follow my blog at
That's okay, Bob. But I'm just gonna stick to my SeatyGo. You gotta love Bob, right? But you don't have to be there. There's an easier way. SeatyGo solves all of these issues. It's simple and convenient. It's super compact to carry, and even the rails stay on the bike. The SeatyGo is a premium bike seat, made from the best materials currently available. It comes in different models, so you can choose the perfect one for your needs. And of course, it's 100% universal, so you can be sure it fits your bike.
We love cycling. It's the best way to get around town, and it keeps you fit, and it's great for the environment. But all too often we hear the sad news of cyclists getting injured. Every year over 19,000 cyclists are injured in the UK alone, with 75% of these accidents occurring at junctions. As traffic has increased, road vehicles have developed signalling systems to keep them safe and prevent accidents. This is not the case for bicycles that still use hand signals, not the best way to be safe and secure. Unsatisfied by current market offers, we came up with our solution. WingLights. WingLights are directional indicators for bicycles that flash amber at the ends of your handlebars, just like any motor vehicle. They are designed to make sure that you are seen and stay noticed when it's most needed, when turning or changing lanes, in all light and weather conditions. With a single tap, they emit a bright LED amber signal, visible by day and night. They are easy to fit. Once the mounts are positioned, the WingLights snap on in seconds. And when you secure your bike, they snap off and you leave with them. Once detached, they transform into a neat keyring with a carabiner to hang anywhere, with multiple usages, even as a hazard light. The lightweight aluminium design makes for a robust, water-resistant and durable product that is both elegant and functional.
Ziilock is equipped with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it, even if you are 100 meters away.
Hey man! Ziilock!
Tom loves his bike. I mean, he really loves his bike. A bit too much. But he wishes they spent more time together on the road. So we gave Tom a Swytch kit. And now, they go everywhere together.
Now, over 3,000 people have ridden over 1 million miles on their Swytch kits.
Now we're back with a new and improved Swytch kit.
Smaller and lighter than ever before.
Here's how it works.
As you cycle, the pedal sensor detects your cadence and sends the signal to the power pack. The control system calculates the optimum power required and delivers it to the motor in the front wheel, giving you all the extra power you need.
We build the front motor wheel for you in any size. Just take off the old wheel and fit the new motor wheel. Then, click on the power pack and you're good to go.
Choose between 5 different power levels for complete control.
Go further and faster without breaking a sweat.
250 watts of power will flatten any hills, and a single charge will last for 50 kilometers.
Lightweight, durable. We've tested on the track to last for years on the road.
Hi, I'm Dimitro, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to turn your bike into an electric bike. Now let's get started.
First step, remove your boring old front wheel and fit your brand new Swytch motor wheel.
If you have disc brakes, just swap the disc over.
Next step is to install the pedal sensor. Simply snap on the magnet disc and secure it in place.
Then, stick the pedal sensor onto your frame so that the magnets move past as you cycle.
After that, fit the bracket onto your handlebars, use the spacers if needed, and fit the twist strap to hold it firmly in place.
And finally, click the power pack on and you're good to go.
This is Ultra, the new standard of bicycle helmets. In short, it will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Ultra comes integrated with 3 COB LED modules that give you a full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you're seen by motorists from all angles. It's got turn signals that you can activate while riding, using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water-resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. Ultra is also smart and connected. You can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom blinking patterns. And of course, it offers serious protection for your head. It passes the gold standard of safety tests and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. It charges using a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. And it lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge. Ultra comes in 3 sizes for a comfortable fit for the whole family. Ultra also comes with some awesome optional accessories, including a visor to block the sun and to look fashionable, a bug net to block pesky bugs from flying into your hair, and a more advanced remote that has a motion sensor that you can use to activate brake lights. The perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. This is Ultra, the smartest commuter helmet you can buy.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.